before February 18th, what every Catholic must do for Lent 2026. February 18th is closer than you think, and most Catholics will walk into Lent the same way they always do, unprepared, not because they don't care, not because they don't love God, but because they drift into it. They pick something small to give up. They feel motivated for a few days. Then life happens, and Lent becomes 40 days of trying, instead of 40 days of transformation. But what if this year is different? What if you enter Lent ready, clear, intentional, serious? Today, I'm going to show you what every Catholic must do before February 18th. So you don't just observe Lent, you experience it. Most Lenten failures don't happen during Lent. They happen before it because we don't prepare. We treat Lent like a spiritual New Year's resolution, temporary, surface level, convenient. But Lent isn't about self-improvement, it's about surrender, and surrender requires preparation. You don't run a marathon without training. You don't enter a battlefield without armor. So why enter Lent, a season of spiritual combat, casually? When you prepare before February 18th, something shifts. You don't scramble on Ash Wednesday thinking, what should I give up? You already know. You've prayed, you've reflected, you've decided. That clarity builds momentum, and momentum builds consistency. So now, let me give you something concrete, not vague advice, not spiritual cliches, a real plan. Before February 18th, do these 10 things, not all at once tonight, but intentionally. Let's walk through them. 1. Go to confession before Ash Wednesday. Start clean, not mid-Lent, not when you feel ready, at least 1 week before. You cannot build spiritual discipline on top of hidden guilt. Grace strengthens effort. Confession resets the soul. 2. Identify your real weakness. Not the cute one, the real one. Is it pride, laziness, impurity, anger, constant distraction? Write it down. Clarity breaks denial. 3. Choose one primary spiritual focus. Not 5. 1. Daily scripture, daily rosary, adoration once a week, silence from social media after 8 p.m. Depth beats quantity every time. 4. Select a fast that actually stretches you. If giving it up doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Ask yourself, what comforts me more than God? That's your fast. 5. Schedule prayer, like an appointment. Open your calendar, pick a time, block it. Even 15 minutes daily equals over 6 hours during Lent. 6 hours of focused prayer can transform a heart, but only if it's protected. 6. Remove one major distraction. Now. Not on February 18th. Now. Delete the app. Turn off notifications. Move the TV out of your bedroom. Preparation creates momentum. 7. Decide on a Lenten reading plan. The Gospels, a spiritual classic, a saint's biography. Don't wait to figure it out mid-Lent. Choose it now. 8. Plan one weekly act of charity. Lent is not just subtraction, it's expansion. Choose something consistent. Visit someone lonely. Donate weekly. Forgive someone. Charity stretches the heart. 9. Tell one trusted person your commitment. Accountability multiplies perseverance. Silence breeds quitting. Invite support. 10. Pray specifically for endurance. Not vague prayer. Pray this: Lord, give me the grace to finish what I start. Because starting is easy, finishing is rare. If you do these 10 things, you will not drift into Lent. You will enter it. Here's something most people don't anticipate. When you take Lent seriously, resistance increases, distraction intensifies, temptation spikes, unexpected stress appears. That's not random. Growth threatens comfort. Decide now, I will not quit mid-Lent. That decision made before February 18th changes everything. February 18th is not just a date, it's an invitation. 40 days? That's about 960 hours. What if even 5% of that time became intentional prayer? That's nearly 48 hours redirected toward God. Imagine the interior shift. Imagine the clarity. Imagine the peace. Lent is not punishment. It's purification. And preparation determines power. So here's the question. Will you drift into Lent, or will you prepare for it? Before February 18th, confess, choose, schedule, fast, pray, commit. And this year, don't let Lent happen to you. Step into it. God bless you.